everyone, welcome back to Code with Vam. So if you're new here, I usually talk about cybersecurity, but today I'll be kicking off a new exciting series where I'll explore all the AI tools that can boost your productivity, no matter what field you are working in. So today we'll be starting with the tool. Its name is Napkin.ai. It's a tool that transforms your plain text into a stunning visuals in second. Okay. So basically, if you deal with the ideas, this tool is a game changer for you. It saves ton of your time. It is perfect for presentation, reporting, brainstorming, or a quick explanation while you are working with your team. It works for tech professionals, marketers, educators, or anyone who is in the field of tech. Let's start with the demo part. So in order to access this application, you have to come to www.napkin.ai and then click here onto the Get Napkin Free. So it is asking you to sign in with email or sign in with Google. Since we are not having the account, we'll click over the sign up process here. Okay. Now it is asking you for the name, email, and password. For now, we are going to use the temporary email. Let's keep the name Webhub, and for the email, we are using temp email, and we'll set a password. Click on sign up. You will receive a verification code. So copy this verification code and your account will be ready. Okay, so these are the basic questions that the application is going to ask you just for the first time. Let's say it's for the work. Great. Okay. So now your account is ready and you are good to access the application. So here you can see the tab which is saying that create my first napkin. So this is some similar to create your first project or create your first presentation or something like that. Click over it and then you will see there are two options now. First one is by pasting my text content and by generating text using the AI. So suppose you are already having your content that you want to put into the presentation and want a visual diagram for all that content, then you can go for this particular option. If you're not sure about the content, you are only having the topic, then you can go for by generating the text using the AI. So it will be similar to Chat GPT. So let's go with this particular one. Okay. Now it is asking you for the topic. Just enter the topic and then it will create the content for you. And then you can convert that particular content into a visual or something. Okay. So for the demo perspective, let's go with the OWASP top 10 LLM. Okay. Now what this tool is doing, it is generating the content for the provided topic. Okay. Now you can see this blue tab here in front of the content. It is asking you to click here so that it can create a visual for this particular content. Okay. What I will do, instead of selecting this one only, what I will do, I will select each one of the topics here. Just give me a second. Up to conclusion. And then I will click here on generate visuals. And we're going to wait for some time. And yes, you can see whatever the content that was available there, it has been converted into a visual format. Whatever the visual format suits you, you can select it and then you're good to go. Okay, let's select this particular style. So there are a number of styles available here. If you can see, you can click on more and you can go for some other styles also. Okay, so whatever the content that you can see above that has been created by the AI, now it's been converted into a visual format so that you can use the same visual format for the presentation or for the reports or anywhere you want. Okay, let me select this particular style. And now after selecting the style, you are having a multiple options for the colors also. So you can go with any one of them. Okay, let's select this one. And now your visual is ready here. Okay, let's see how we can export this particular image. So we are having an export option here. Can click on export. We are having a PNG, SVG as well as PDF option. And then we can also switch the color mode from the light to dark, or the backgrounds, or the resolution part. Okay, let's try to download one of them in PNG format. Okay, it's been downloaded. Great. So the picture quality and everything is pretty much good, and we can definitely use this particular image in the presentation as well as in the reports. Okay, let's see what are the other things that are available here. You can see the share option. The moment when you click on share, you can see that you can also invite your colleagues to work over the project. So definitely, if you're working on a project, there is a possibility that you and your colleagues are working on that. There is a collaboration, and you must be having idea. Your colleague is having some idea, so you can collab over one project, and then you can create it here. And we are having multiple permission options also, so you can view, comment, edit, or edit and share. So that's the whole idea about this particular tool. There is a style option here. Okay, so you can create your own style, but I guess that is on the pro version right now. We are having a library option where you can navigate all your projects or all your napkins that you have created. So suppose that if you're done with this particular napkin, you want to work on something else, just click on the new napkin. Again, this will ask you for all the three things, whether you want to draft with new AI, oops, or you want to import from file. Okay, so if you're having a file, suppose a PDF file or a PNG file or anything, you can use this particular feature also, and then it will extract the data from that particular file, and then it will create a visuals or something. Okay, so that's also a very good use case. And then again, a blank napkin where you are already having the ideas of the content for which you want to create the visuals. You can go again. Okay, so that was all about the napkin.ai. I hope that demo was pretty much clear to you and you got the complete understanding about the tool. So what do you think? Will napkin.ai is going to help you in your work? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, this is just the start of my AI tool series. Next, I'll be covering a lot of AI tools. So hit like and subscribe if you don't want to miss it. We'll catch up in the next video. Until then, stay curious, stay protected.